kami sa park. Happy holiday! Ayun yung bear, nandoon pala. Ayun yung ano, yung train.
But we have big ornaments on the trees.
Tinitin nila. Giniginaw ka na ata, di mo dinala yung coat mo. Giniginaw ka?
No. Look at train.
Train. Ayun. Cute, diba? Wala masyado ngayon, no?
Yeah, they only have like
So, kunti yung nilagay nila. Christmas. Ito yung bear, oh. Got that bear. Ayun yung ano, may ikot na. Lamig. May ginaw ka na. Tara na. May ginaw.
Did they turn off the fountain?
Of course! Kasi meron yung Christmas tree. Na nilagay, di ba? Ang taas ng Christmas tree nilagay nila. Siyempre, tinurn off nila yung fountain. Laki yung nilagay nila eh.
Look what it says on the building. It says Merry Christmas. Like Happy Holiday. Hi.
Let's go. Malamig. Saka na. Malamig. Ikapaman din na. Tanungin mo yung regalo mo.
Did they drag this?
Oh, hindi na pwedeng sakyan yung wagon.
What?
Remember before yan, oh, pwedeng sakyan? Pwede pa ba? May grad na yatang ano. Ayun.
That's not a toilet. That's a
Penguin, nasa loob sila ng igloo.
That's a toilet.
Ayan na yung polar bear. Ang cute niya.
It's a fluffy bird.
Ang cute niya.
These are so cute.
It's so cute. Look. Meron silang fish na kinakain, niluluto sa banga. Marunong na palang magluting mga penguin ng ano. Non-stick pa yung pan nila. Yeah, non-stick yung pan nila.
It's fluffy. It's fluffy.
Nilagyan nila ng ganyan kasi bawal hawakan.
They don't have to know that. They don't have to know. Right on the wagon. Sit right on this one. It's not a wagon. It's a sleigh.
Sleigh? I think it's
It's a sleigh. Like sleigh queen.